Okay, good evening students. Today we'll continue with chapter 4. Okay, I have explained you some features of MS Word. Now today's topic is placing text in shapes. Okay, how to make shapes you have learned in the last class. So how can we put the text in the shapes? For this, follow the steps. You can also use shapes for inserting the text like this. Select the shape of your choice. First, drag that shape on the selected shape according to your need, like we have done the star. Now right click on the drawing object and select the add text option from the shortcut menu. The insertion point appears in the object. You can see this is the cursor. Now you can type the any text inside the shape. Now let's discuss point shapeful tool versus shape outline tool. We have done in the last class. Now next is using drawing tools. In the MS Word there is some drawing tools also. All the drawing features are present in the shape drop down menu only. Now let us use our creativity to make a hut. Okay, then select the line tool. Select any line and draw the outline. With the outline you can draw any shape like MS Paint. In the MS Paint you have done drawing. So like this in the MS Word also, with the line tool you can draw any shapes. Hold down the shift key and select the outline of hut. After that you can shape outline drop down menu will open. The shape style group on the format tab, select the weight option and click on 3-point line. Okay, you can give the different thickness of the border of this hut. Now to draw a door, select the rectangle tool and drag inside the hut. Click on the shape tool in the shape style group on the format tab and fill any color of your choice. Now this change the line color by selecting the shape outline tool. Select the oval tool and draw a window in a hut like this. To duplicate the drawing object, you can also use Ctrl+C for copying and V for pasting the object. Now to make clouds, click on callouts option in shape list and select cloud callout. Now drag the shape like this. You can draw the like cloud shape. Fill grey color in it. Now to display rain shower, draw a line and select the dashes line. Okay, and the shape outline tool from the format tab. Now select the square dots, observe its effects. To repeat the lines, press Ctrl+C and V for pasting. Now type the text beautiful hut and select it. Change the text color by selecting the font color in the font group on the home tab. So which is now with this drawing tool you can make the beautiful drawing like MS Paint. In MS Paint you have done. So in MS Word also you can draw any shape with different shapes or outline tools, line tool. Now next is inserting clip art. What is clip art? Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. This is a predefined images you can insert in your document. Now clip art, click on clip art button. You can see this is the clip art button, the illustration group in the insert tab. Okay, now the clip art task pane, you can see it's display on the right side of the window. Type the desired keyword in the search box text box that is related to the image you wish to insert. Okay, suppose you want to import the image of any animal. So you have to type here animals, wild animals, flowers, okay, birds. Okay, you have to type the related word which picture you want to search. Okay, so it will display the related pictures of that word. Like we have typed computer and click on go button. So related to the computer there is some pictures will come here. So you have any picture you can select it, view the various clip art image using vertical scroll bar and click on the desired clip art image to insert it. Double click that, insert. You can insert any picture. Now inserting symbols and special characters also in MS Word. Symbols and special characters are punctuation, space spacing and typographical characters that are not generally available on the standard keyboard. Okay, there is another symbol that not present on the keyboard, and if we are doing in any maths work, so we can use these symbols. So they can be inserted from the symbol dialog box. To insert the symbols and special characters in a document, follow the steps. How can we insert these symbols? Place the cursor at the position you want to insert a symbol. After that, click on the symbol button in the symbols group. You can see this is the symbol group. Select more symbols option so you can see the dialog box will appear. Select the symbols tab if it is not selected. Okay. After that, select the font of your choice from the drop down list. For example, wings. If you have selected wings, choose a symbol and click on the insert button. Click on the close button. You can see this symbol will come in the document. Now next is applying shadow. There is some shadow effect also. We can apply in MS Word. You can apply shadow effect on any object. You can also change the color of that shadow and set its position. Draw any object using shape button, the illustration group on the insert tab. First select the shape on the shadow effect button in shadow effect group on the format tab. You can see the different shadow effect features also is coming here. If you want to give the shadow on the upper side, the lower side and left right corner, so we can give the different styles of shadows on the object. Select the desired shadow effect and you can see the preview. It will be applied on the object. Now there is one note for you. You can change the shadow setting by selecting the shadow effect from the shadow effect drop down menu. Similarly, you can apply 3D effects to an object by clicking the 3D effect button on the format tab. Okay, so now that's all for the lesson. Firstly, you have to read the lesson again and again, and please do practical practice at your home with all the features. Okay, and see this video again. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask. Okay, if you are not doing practical practice, so you cannot understand all the points. So now I will revise for you some point and glance. Style is a predefined combination of formatting features, font style, color, and size of text that can be applied to the selected text in order to change its appearance. Character and paragraph are two types of styles. Symbols are punctuation, spacing, or typographical characters that are generally not available on the keyboard. Word art feature allow the user to create spatial text effects. Text box is a placeholder where text can be entered. It can be moved along with its contents anywhere in the document. Shapes are a group of ready-made shapes that can be inserted directly into the document. Okay children, now that's all for today's class. Please revise the lesson again and watch this video carefully, and now I will send you homework